Completed in 1914, this historical Michigan landmark, Michigan Central Station, has finally been restored to its majestic glory. Adventures with Araminta presents a trip to Michigan Central. Look at that. It's the Michigan Central train station. All right, we're gonna go across the street and take a trip with your baby. Stay tuned. And here is the entrance to the open house. All right. Stay tuned for more adventure. There's Newab. That's where I work. Okay, apparently there's music, food trucks, all kinds of things to be seen. But we are going to...
Did you already make it in?
No! Okay, so a nice lady just showed us where we're supposed to be, so we're waiting to get in. Look at that line! My goodness! So, yes, we are ready to go. Or are we? I don't know, that looks like kind of an angry person. All right, here we go. Oh, goodness. Okay. Not get lost.
When you get in there, it's not a wow factor. What walking that thing? AV structure. It's called the flow of time. You don't have to start there on your tour. It's a self-guided tour. Over to the left, there's actually a diagram kind of tells you all about the first floor and everything you guys can see today. I can go over there and start whenever you like. There's also QR codes for this app called Smartify. Kind of goes over all everything.
Okay, look, we're about to go into theater.
Oh, look around, please.
You excited? Yes, very excited. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow.
If you want to exit, you give you a left and right exit.
Oh, okay. Wow, look at that. My goodness. Okay, now she's about to see Mommy is super excited. Oh my god. Did somebody say archive? Mommy is happy. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, I hear a Hudson. I hear a Hudson. I thought I heard a Hudson. There's a William and a Hudson.
Yeah, look, it's Auntie Stanley.
Oh,
Auntie Stanley made it.
yeah, I did. Yeah, this was the Gloria and the William.
Be careful, don't knock the baby.
Be careful. All right. And then we have this kid here.
My name is William Roy, the official video and movie critic.
All right.
Are you recording your video
Yeah.
on your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
You can like the William Roy channel, aren't you?
I am. But I was doing this before you were.
Are you an official kid?
And then here we have Goofball making a pose in front of the clock.
Okay,
We
I
just
got
came
it.
out of the room where the tickets used to be distributed.
I'm the one that's a kid.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Did you create movies?
William, you're messing up the shot. We can't talk about what we made. We just gotta talk about what we see in here.
Mm-hmm. But I don't know.
Oh, it's so nice in here.
Where are we? I mean, Ashman, where are we?
Is it? This is the exit. And where we leave. And that was the tour. We had a great time here at Michigan Central. All right. All right. Here we are. Yay. Roosevelt Park here.
Yeah, we're letting 5 cents.
Okay, so it's hot, so we're gonna head on out, and this has been a trip to Michigan Central.
Okay.
Say bye, everybody.
You know the development